Hey guys, here's an interesting one. We've had it for a while. We're just getting around to tearing it down. 1970 Cuda. This car is in violet, as you can see. It is also a 383 Super Commando. That is the numbers matching original engine. I know, weird, it's blue. Me and Tony are talking about that right now. But look at how bad this rust is. It's an East Coast car, so there's your firewall, cowl side panel, frame rails. You can see here where it's rotting at the front of the frame rails. Battery tray area, that's pretty normal there. Hinge mounting area on both sides. Here's where it really gets fun. So there is your windshield pillar. The upper pillar is in good shape, which is good because they don't make that part. And the cowl is in good shape, which is great. But the cowl side panel, you can see right there. The rockers. A little bit of floor left in there. It's kind of cool. But then you get to the back, and there you see all the problems. The B pillar's rotten. The under seat pan's rotten. Floors are all rotten. It's a lot like our 68 Dodge Dart convertible. There's your quarter panel, pretty bad shape. Wheel houses, trunk floor extensions, trunk floor. Tops of the wheel houses are in good shape. Rear crossbar that mounts the motor for the top is in good shape. That's good. This is a hockey stick car. That's good. But boy, being really rusty is never good. But that's why it's here. And if it was easy, anyone could do it. An example of how bad those things can rot out. I'll raise this thing up and let you take a look at the underside of it. Just a darn shame. Somebody would let a car get that bad. Okay, let's raise this thing up. Take a look. So we still have the engine and transmission rear end in here, but while I got it up in the air, I wanted to show you what we got. Frame rail is okay fair. It does have puckering right there around that hole. I don't know if you can see that swelling. And some here. You might be able to save that rail. The inner fender, you can see the hole where the battery mounts, but it's also rotten up at the front. Firewall, cowl side panel, or firewall side panel, cowl side panels, rocker, all rotten. Same thing over here on this side. Rocker, cowl side panel, hinge pillar area, inner fender. Really just a rough old car. This is cool though. If you look inside here, you'll see that is the 1/4-inch reinforcement plate that all convertibles get inside the rocker area, because they don't have a roof on them. Kind of cool. So here I'll just give you a shot of what we got in here. The floor was undercoated. It was an undercoat car, but somebody left something inside of it, rags or something, and it just ate holes through everything. Everything. So here you can see the rot. Rotten. It's kind of a shame. It's a 1970 Cuda 383 automatic, numbers matching car. But that's why it's at Graveyard Cars. Even the shocks rotted out. You don't see that very often. Oh, poor old thing. Well, stay tuned. We'll bring her back to life. Like old Johnny Cash, one part at a time.